10 must-have juices for immunity improvement. Number 1. Cranberry Defense Juice. Cranberries, known for their high antioxidant content, are combined with apples and a splash of lemon to create a flavorful juice that helps to fortify the immune system. Number 2. Kiwi Citrus Blend. The vitamin C-rich kiwi, combined with oranges and a touch of honey, produces a refreshing juice that aids in immune function and digestive health. Number 3. Juice boosted with beetroot. Beets, which are high in vitamins and minerals, combine with apples and ginger to make a juice that aids in detoxification and strengthens the immune system. Aloe vera infusion. Number 4. Aloe vera's healing properties are combined with hydrating cucumber and mint to create a soothing juice that aids digestion and immune function. Number 5. Pomegranate Powerhouse. Pomegranate juice, high in antioxidants and vitamins, boosts immunity and protects against free radicals, benefiting overall health. Number 6. Berry Bliss Juice. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also high in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and promote a strong immune system. Number 7. Turmeric Tonic. To increase absorption of turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, combine it with orange juice, pineapple, and a pinch of black pepper. Number 8. Carrot and Ginger Elixir. Carrots, which are high in beta-carotene, combine with ginger's anti-inflammatory properties to create a refreshing juice that promotes a strong immune response. Number 9. Green Goddess Juice. Combine kale, spinach, cucumber, and green apples for a nutrient-dense juice high in vitamins A and C, iron, and antioxidants that promote overall immune health. Number 10. Citrus Burst Juice. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C and make a zesty concoction that boosts immunity and helps prevent illness. Number 11. Immunity Boosting Juices. With changing weather, our immunity takes a back seat. There isn't much we can do about it, but few people realize that there are several juices that can help us defend ourselves because they are high in nutrients like vitamins and antioxidants. Take a look at some of the must-have juices,